Do you know why World War II started and how it changed the world? Let's find out. World War II was a global conflict that lasted from 1939 to 1945. It was the deadliest war in human history, with an estimated 50 million to 85 million fatalities worldwide. The war was fought between two main alliances, the Axis powers, led by Germany, Japan, and Italy, and the Allied powers, led by the United States, the United Kingdom, and the Soviet Union. The main reason for the outbreak of the war was the aggressive expansionist policies of Nazi Germany, led by its leader, Adolf Hitler. Hitler sought to expand the German territory and create a superior, Aryan race. He annexed Austria and parts of Czechoslovakia, and eventually invaded Poland, which prompted Britain and France to declare war on Germany. The war began with the Axis powers making significant gains, but the tide of the war began to turn against them after the Soviet Union counterattacked in 1941, and the United States entered the war after the surprise attack on Pearl Harbor by Japan. The war was fought on several fronts, including Europe, Africa, Asia, and the Pacific. It also saw the introduction of new technologies, such as radar, jet engines, and the atomic bomb. The war in Europe came to an end on May 8, 1945, with the unconditional surrender of Germany. The war in the Pacific continued until August 15, 1945, when Japan signed the Instrument of Surrender. The war had a profound impact on the world, leading to the rise of the United States and the Soviet Union as superpowers, the creation of the United Nations, and the beginning of the Cold War. It also resulted in the displacement of millions of people, the Holocaust, and the bombing of Hiroshima and Nagasaki, which killed over 200,000 people. As always, like and subscribe for more informative videos.